In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Lovable to Supabase. Before we begin, make sure you have a Lovable project and a Supabase account ready. Once everything is set, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Supabase. If you don't already have an account, create one and sign in. Keep this tab open because you'll need it later during the authorization process. Next, open Lovable and sign into your account. From the dashboard, find the project you want to connect to Supabase and open it. Once your project is loaded, look at the top left corner and click on the project name. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Inside the project settings, look for the Integrations section. This is where you can connect external services to your Lovable project. Scroll through the available integrations until you find Supabase. Click Manage to open the Supabase integration options. Now, click Connect Supabase. Lovable will redirect you to Supabase so you can authorize the connection. If you're asked to sign in, make sure you're using the correct Supabase account. You may also be asked to select an organization or project. Choose the Supabase workspace that you want to connect to your Lovable project. After selecting the correct organization, review the permissions and click Authorize Lovable. Once the authorization is complete, you should be redirected back to Lovable. If the authorization window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. Also, make sure you're signed in to the correct Supabase account. And that's it. Your Lovable project is now connected to Supabase, and you can start using Supabase features with your project. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.